Welcome to another Simple Dad YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create an image poll on your YouTube app using your Android phone. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So are you bored of creating polls using text? If yes, then keep watching as YouTube now has an image poll. Image poll is where you can ask a question to YouTube community and your options can be in images. To have access to the community tab, you must have at least 500 subscribers and your channel must be set to not for kids. So let me show you how to create one. First, let's open up the YouTube app. Next, tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Then tap on create a post. Now at the top, you should see the new image poll option. Tap on that. Now here, you can type in your question. Next, tap on the image icon above option 1 to select an image from your photo gallery. Then using the same method, repeat the step on option 2. If you need more option, tap on add option. Tap on the images to reposition your image within the box. Then press save. Now once you're done, tap on post and this should post your image poll to your YouTube community tab. And that is how to create an image poll on your YouTube app using your Android phone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.